The 3D printing market is worth $30 billion. So what's the next disruptive manufacturing technology? 10 years ago, I co-founded the global tech accessory brand Mouse, whose last crowd raised at an £80 million valuation. I've since put this experience and personal funds into founding Fyous, building the next disruptive category of manufacturing.
Cool story, Josh, but what problem are you solving?
At Mouse, we would make thousands of phone cases before the phone had even launched. Each model would require a new mold costing around $15,000. If Apple moved the button by 1 millimeter, those molds and cases would be redundant. Mouse were not alone in this problem. Manufacturers build, use, and store countless physical molds each year, valuing the industrial mold market at $50 billion. The global dental 3D printing market is worth $3.9 billion and generates around 7,500 to 12,000 tons of plastic mold waste annually. That's enough to fill hundreds of lorries. Many have dreamt of molds that could shape-shift at the push of a button. A digital mold for a digital age. Digital molds could revolutionize industries, from footwear to aerospace, and more importantly, unlock affordable mass customization.
What even is a digital mold anyway?
Like when Apple put 1,000 songs in your pocket with the iPod, Fyous aims to put 1 million molds on your desktop with polymorphic molding. Imagine using thousands of tiny pins that are digitally controlled and locked in position, making digital molds a reality. This is polymorphic molding. You no longer need a new mold for every product. Our proprietary pinpoint software turns your 3D model into code that then controls the polymorphic machine. The pins then reposition to bring your digital mold to life. When you're done, just reset it and then go again.
That sounds exciting. How much traction have you got?
Including a grant from Innovate UK, we've raised £3.2 million and we are backed by the inventor of FDM 3D printing and founder of billion-dollar company Stratasys, Scott Crump, as well as Envision Tech CEO Al Siblani following his $300 million exit to Desktop Metal in 2021. We have 3 patents pending and we develop all our intellectual property in-house at our Sheffield R&D facility. We have a waiting list including global footwear brands, as well as a letter of intent for 5 machines from one of the UK's leading dental labs, S4S. We've sold our first moulding machine to a medical company before we've even finished it. With you as our shareholder, we plan to expand our team and accelerate penetration into the multi-billion-dollar dental aligner market with our disruptive polymorphic moulding aligner machine.
If you believe in a more sustainable future for how we make things, we'd love to have you be part of our journey.